Hi everybody, this is our word time session where we're going to read, spell and write some words. Okay, but before we start, we're going to practice all of the sounds that we have been learning. Okay, this is the end of set 1 sounds. Okay, so we've come to the end and here are all of the sounds that we know. So let's make sure they're still in our head before we try to read some words or spell some words and write some words using these sounds. So let's go. We've got the sound ch, j, y, a, s, e, ng, d, t, I, x, k, o, w, v, b, qu, ng, k, z, f, o, g, p, ch, j. Well done. So, our first sound that we're going to read today is here. Remember, we've got our dots and dashes. The dashes mean special friends and the dots are our sound buttons. Okay, so we've got f, I, ng, think. Excellent, let's do it again. F, I, ng, think. Well done. Next one. Ready? We'll press the sound buttons. F, ox, fox. Great work. This one. Oh, can we see? Special friends. That queen is with the umbrella. Qu, I, z. Quiz. Great. Okay. Special friends. Ch, I, n. Chin. And we have one more. 3 sound buttons. Ready? Z, I, p, zip. Excellent. Now then, we're going to try to spell some words. And all of our words have 3 sounds. So remember, we need our thread fingers to spell. We need 3 sounds, 3 fingers. And we're listening to see which sound comes at the beginning, which sound comes in the middle, and which sound comes at the end for when we want to write them. Okay, so our first word is box. Box. So what sound do we have first? B, ox. Box. Excellent. Our next word is sing. Sing. So which sound can we hear first? S, I, ng. Sing. Well done. Our next word is zag. Like that zip. Zigzag zip. So the word is zag. Let's listen. Z, a, g. Zag. The next word is quit. Quit. So what sound can we hear first? Well done. Qu, I, t. Quit. You're doing great. And the last word is chop. Chop. So the first sound we hear is ch, op, chop. Excellent. Right, we know all of those sounds. We can hear which sound comes at the beginning. We can hear which sound comes in the middle, and we can hear which sound comes at the end. That's all we need to know to be able to write them. So get your pen ready and we're going to start to write. Remember, keep checking with your thread fingers if you need to. If you want to take a little bit longer to go over the sounds with your thread fingers, just pause the video, okay? So the first one was box, box. And I know that the first sound was a b, b, ox. Right, I'm going to write those 3 sounds. Ready? You write them too. B, ox. Does yours look just like that? Let's put our sounds buttons underneath to check. B, ox. Box. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Great. Next word was sing. Sing. Let's check on our thread fingers. S, I, ng. Okay, let's see if we can write those 3 sounds. S, I, ng. Does yours look like that? Let's put our sound buttons underneath and say S, I, ng. Sing. Yeah, there's our 3 sounds. The next word was zag. Zag. Z, a, g. Zag. Okay, see if we can write those 3 sounds. Z, a, g. Zag. I'm going to put my sound buttons under to check. Z, a, g. Zag. Yeah, I'm happy. Are you happy with yours so far? Good. The next one was quit. Quit. Oh, let's get this ready. Qu, it, quit. Now, what can I remember about this qu sound? That queen, she has to go out with something. What is it she has to take with her? She doesn't like getting wet. Oh, that's right. She needs her umbrella when we write the qu sound. So, qu, it. Let's see if we can write that. Qu, it. Quit. Let's put our sound buttons on, our special friend dash. Qu, it. Yeah, that looks right. And we have one more to do. And the word was chop. Chop. Let's check. Ch, o, p. And how do you do our special friend ch sound? Chew, said the horse to the caterpillar. Okay? So let's see if we can write that. Ch, o, p. Okay, let's check. Ch, o, p. Chop! Yay! Excellent. It might take you a little bit longer to write your words at home, but don't worry, just keep practicing. And well done, everybody. I'm very proud of you. See you next time. Bye.